Hi my dear YouTube family, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you know, with the passage of time we have seen so many changes in makeup and in makeup trends. So in this video I am sharing with you the latest trends for 2021 and what people are wearing in 2021. Let's begin. And here definitely I'm starting with skin prep, and first of all here I am going to be applying the Inky Laced Caffeine Eye Serum. And yes, when you are applying anything around your eyes you have to use your ring finger because that applies the least pressure. So after that I am going to be hydrating my lips with my favorite lip balm by Bird Base. So guys, for primer here I'm going to be using the Maybelline New Baby Skin Primer. By the way, this is not a silicone free primer, but it makes perfect the skin and keeps the canvas looking flawless for whatever you're applying over this. Now guys, I am going to be using very light peach corrector from the Makeup Revolution color corrector palette. And here I am trying to lightly color correct under my eyes and around my mouth, and because I am using very light peach corrector for color correction, that's why here I am not using any setting powder and I am just move on to foundation. Now I'm going to be using my Inglot HD Perfect Cover Up Foundation in the shade 74. Although it doesn't give you the typical coverage, but it still cover all imperfections on your face. As you know guys, I have a little patches of pigmentation on my cheeks and still you can see the way it covers. After that, as you know the latest trends of applying concealer in V-shape under eye, now I just focus these areas where it needs to be covered. I'm using very little and blend it out with the damp sponge, and whatever residue is left on the sponge, I am just going to use it around my lid and just blend it out. This step is one of the most trending in 2021, and this is Sun Kissed Blush. Here I'm going to be using the liquid blush by Sheen Cosmetics. And if you guys already use these blushes, you know very well these are very pigmented. And then whatever residue is left on the brush, I'm going to be using it on the bridge of the nose just to get the sunburnt look. As you know, it is also very trending. Now guys, it's the time to set the face with powder, and here I'm just taking a little bit with a powder brush and dusting off the excess. I'm just to set out two areas, one is T-zone and the other one is where I applied concealer, because I don't want to crease my concealer. And to set the basic makeup here, I'm going to be using Ravage UK setting spray, and it works very well. Now for filling out the brows, here guys I'm going to be using Anastasia De Brow in the shade medium brown. So guys, the key to keep it natural looking and fluffy and feathery, so I'm not going to be filling on top. I'm just going to be filling the lower part of brows, and as you know I already have very thick brows. As you guys already knows that foxy eye is trending from quite some times. Here I'm going to be using the bronzer as an eyeshadow, and here I'm trying to mostly focus in the very outer corner, and the purpose of foxy eye look is to make your eye more elongated and try to push it out. And when you try to push it out, it makes your eyes more elongated. After that I am using a flat brush and I am going to smoke it out my lower lash line. So guys, the next trend is to use a lighter shade as brown or a cool gray to create a soft wing liner. So here I am just using the brown eyeshadow and I am going to be line my top lash line and pull out a small wing in the outer and inner corner. Here I am going to be curling my eyelashes with eyelash curler. After that I am going to be applying mascara, and this is by Tarte. This is one of my favorite mascara. After that I am going to be using Shein handmade lashes, and rather than using the entire lash I am just going to cut it into half, and I am going to be using the inner half in the outer corner. So guys, all I am going to do to finish this makeup tutorial is to use a lot of lip gloss after applying any lip color. So first of all, here I am going to be using a lip liner, and after that I am using a lip crayon, and on the top of it I am going to be using a lip gloss, and these all products by Clinique Cosmetics. And after that I fix my hair, and this is the complete look. So guys, what kind of makeup do you like? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then don't forget a big thumbs up. And all the products that I used mentioned in the description box. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page. So I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye.